Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add your own glyphs to text on CapCut PC. So add in your text, and I'm just going to type in the word hey. I'm also going to change the font, and I might as well change the color of it. So I want to add some stars as my glyphs. So this is like a different color, so I want the color to be similar. So I'm just going to actually select the text and make it so that the color is the same as this yellow background because it's easier this way. Okay, hold on. I need to put this here first so that I can actually see the color. There we go. Then I'm just going to adjust this till the end. And then I'm going to go to mask and I'm going to select the star shape. You can select any shape you want. Then I'm just going to place it where I want it. So I want it to have like stars on the like letters, I guess. So that's what, that's what I'm going to kind of do here. Maybe just place it a little bit to the right, like that. Not sure I like it like this. And then I also want to place some like here. Whoops. I don't know why I can't like add it over there. Hold on. Oh, it's because I need to just move the mask. Because it can only go so far. And for instance, I don't want this. You can just like go to your text, right click, create compound clip, and select mask and select the horizontal one. Actually select the rectangle one. And reverse that so that you can like kind of cut off that bit that you don't want. You can only do it like once though. I'm sorry, I keep on like, and just then add that to like for the glyph, I guess. And then you can add it here, but then again you'll have to like remove it using mask, and I already did here. So I'm just going to go over that with a star like that, and it creates this really pretty text effect that you easily just made on CapCut. Let me just rotate this a little bit. I think we can make that work here. And lastly, I'm just going to go to effects and I'm going to find the edge glow. And I'm going to add that on top of everything to create this pretty looking text. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!